Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore how to change voices in Capcut on your PC. So let's get started. First, open Capcut on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the official website. Next, either open an existing project or create a new one by clicking Create Project. Once you're in the Capcut editor, go to the Import section. Select a video with voice audio from your computer, then click Open to import it into Capcut. Now, drag the video onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. For a better understanding, let's extract the audio first. Right-click on the video and select Extract Audio. You'll now see the audio appear on a separate track. Play it to hear the original voice.
Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the BlueStacks application.
Now, to change the voice in Capcut, select the audio track. On the right side of the screen, open the Voice Changer tab. Here you'll find a variety of voice filters that you can, for example, if you want to add a big house effect, scroll down and select the big house filter.
Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the BlueStacks application for your Windows 11 computer.
You can also adjust the strength of the effect by moving the strength slider. Next, open the Voice Characters tab. Choose any voice character you'd like to apply to your audio. After selecting
Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the BlueStacks application for your Windows 11 computer.
Just like before, you can adjust the strength of the voice character using the slider. If you want to restore the original voice, simply select Original under both the Voice Filter and Voice Character sections. Your audio will return to its original sound. And that's it.